Okay, so I finally got my Breezy album. Got it from Amazon Prime. So let's just take a look. Sorry, guys. I got to open this thing up. And, of course, it's not disappointed. That's the album. That's what the album looked like. Trying to see. He got another picture of himself right there. Let's take a look at this booklet. I know Chris didn't disappoint, though. He always come through with the visuals. Well, you know, like as far as the album covers and stuff like that. Another dope picture. Breezy verse right there. MJ. Oh, and his little cosmic clits. Oh, look at his little socks. Oh. I'm sorry, guys. That was a nice pic. Again, more of the album cover from the inside. Let's see what else is in here. I'm trying to see what other pictures are in here. Because I know he didn't disappoint. Yep, there's another pic right there. Sorry, guys, I'm doing this in my car, but hey, either way. And there's all the credits and everything. Special thanks to my kids. I love you. My team, Aunt Wilson, Booba Diallo, Marquise Wright, and more. I'm just going to say it more because there's a lot of thank yous on here. But let everybody know they mean the world to him. So, yep. So, that's the Breezy Deluxe. Like I said, once again, that's what the album looked like. And again, you did not disappoint, Breezy.